guys, what's up? It is Carrie and I'm finally back with a Plan With Me video for you guys. It's been forever, but we have just had a wonderfully crazy last couple of months. We are in the process of trying to sell our house, which has been crazy, and then we are you know, with quarantine winding down and everything, we've had a little bit more on the social agenda lately. And then I have also just been really busy trying to get the behind the scenes stuff of Carrie Bowberry Co. all set up. I've been working really hard on the Etsy store and just trying to build up an inventory and all that kind of stuff. So my apologies that it has been a while. I hope that you missed me as much as I missed you. So I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and say hello, and I really hope that you enjoy my lemon spread.
Okay, so let's just dive right in. So I'm starting with my yellow marker. This is the lightest yellow that I have, so we'll talk about that later. But I'm just going in with my yellow marker to just outline and color in all of these little lemon shapes. And it's super easy to draw. It's just a football shape with those little kind of nubbies at the end. And I'm using my white paint marker because this is going to be lemonade right here, and I want it to be a softer yellow. So I'm going in with white paint first so that when I color over it with the yellow, it's going to lighten it up a little bit. So I'll come back to squeeze the day because I'm going to do another pass on that. And now I'm just going to go through with my brown and my greens just to kind of get more of that lemon tree branch vibe going. I really wanted to soften up this yellow a little bit. I love yellow. I'm in a really yellowy phase right now, but I know that it's not a favorite for everyone. So I just love how the greens and the blues in this spread keep it really summery, but really just kind of keep that yellow in check. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm adding a lot of the greenery that goes with these lemons, and now I'm going in to make the little flowers with my white paint marker. And then over here is my little lemon slice with a sour face, and you'll see why in just a second. I'll come back to that with the lettering. So I'm going to do these flowers right here by my Squeeze the Day lemon, and then I'm going to go back over the lettering with my paint marker again, just to get more opacity, and then also to just beef up the downstrokes to make it look a little bit more calligraphied. So down here, same thing, just going over the downstrokes a little bit thicker, so that I have more of that calligraphy vibe, and that says live life with zest with a few little lemon garnishes. So now over here, my lemonade is that slightly lighter yellow color now because of the fact that I went over with my white paint marker first. So I love using that trick when I have a marker that is not quite as light as I need it to be. White paint first. And then I added in the blue there for when life gives you lemons, just to add a little bit more blue in that area. And then I'm also using my blue for the days of the week. So I'm just writing them out first in my cutesy cursive, and then I'm just going to go through and do my same faux calligraphy, just kind of going over those downstrokes one more time just to make them a little bit thicker. And then I'm making my little boxes. I've got a lot going on this week as far as just little appointments, so gotta make room for those. And then this cute little saying right here, it says, the sweet just isn't as sweet without the sour, because how true is that? So once I'm done outlining that, then I'm gonna come back over here to my cute little sour face and let her pucker up, because, you know, pucker, sour. So over here in the weekend, my husband's grandma is visiting this weekend, so that's a, you know, big deal. She is lovingly, for some reason, called Geezer. It was already a name that they had for her, and she loves it, and I don't even know, y'all. I just do what I'm told. So she's the geese. What can I say? So she's coming this weekend. Be prepared. So over here, all I'm doing is just lettering out June in yellow, and it was hard to see, so I kind of did a drop shadow with my black pen. And then my handy dandy little habit tracker stickers. I wish that I had a better camera angle for this, but it'll get fixed in just a second. However, I do have these available in my Etsy shop. I'll link them in the description if that would be something that would be helpful for you. I'm using a blank one because I sometimes like to switch up my fonts when I write in habits. However, if you are lettering illiterate, then I do have some habit tracker stickers that have habits lightly printed on them so that you can trace it. So, I have both available, so you can check those out. So what you do with this is that the letters of the week go down the left side, and then you just draw little icons on the top for like a symbol for the job that you want to complete. So I have a little clock, like an alarm clock for the habit of getting up at 6 a.m. before my kids. I have icons for doing a load of laundry, vacuuming, doing something for my Etsy shop every day, all of those good kinds of things. And then I'll just color in those little squares each day that I complete those tasks. So I find it helpful. If it was be something that's helpful for you, then I have them for you. Check them out. So yeah, lots going on this week. I love this spread. I think it turned out really cute, and I hope that you did too. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye guys.